In this video, we're going to guide you through resetting that pesky maintenance light on your Toyota Highlander. So let's go see together how this task is done. In this section, I'll show you how to reset the maintenance required light on the 2008 to 2019 Toyota Highlander with the trip button. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position. Step 2. Then, press the trip button on the instrument cluster until you get that to trip A. Step 3. Next, turn off your car. Step 4. After that, press and hold the trip button and turn the ignition to the on position again without starting the engine. Step 5. Keep holding down the button until it says resetting maintenance data, and once that says complete, you're good to go. For 2015 models and above, the Highlander is also equipped with a multi-information display. You can use this method as an alternative to the first method. Step 1. First, turn on your car. Step 2. Then, use the navigation button to scroll over to the left or right until you get to the gear icon. Step 3. After that, scroll down until you see Maintenance System or Schedule Maintenance. Step 4. Next, press the center button to enter the menu. Step 5. At this point, the system will ask you to reset data. You can select Yes to confirm it. In the 2020 to 2023 Toyota Highlander, you can reset the maintenance light by using the steering wheel buttons. So let's check this out. Step 1. Turn on your car by press the start button 2 times without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the up or down button on the steering wheel until we get to the gear icon. Step 3. Use the right button to move over to the right through the next screen until it's highlighted the vehicle settings menu. Step 4. Hold down the OK button to enter the menu. Step 5. Use the down button to scroll down and select Scheduled Maintenance or Oil Maintenance. Step 6. When a confirmation message appears, select Yes and then press the OK button. So that's how you get rid of it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.